Now, watching the sky this afternoon, you've noticed it go from that deep blue to a little bit of a gray, and now the clouds are getting a little thicker and lower in the sky. You can see some of that gray right there as the sun was going down in Tuscaloosa County from Vance. Overnight, the sky basically overcast with high thin clouds. Tomorrow morning, the clouds lower and thicker, and Friday looks like a mostly cloudy day, but there will be a few breaks in the clouds, maybe enough just to get us to about 61 tomorrow afternoon, with rain becoming likely the later into the day we go. So let's track it out for you using some of our forecast model guidance. A lot of the green here that shows up early on Friday very well may be something called virga. It doesn't reach the ground because it evaporates. The air's still pretty dry down here at the surface. But then as the day goes on, the more of those showers that pass through, it moistens up the atmosphere, and we do start getting some rain to the surface late morning to early afternoon in Birmingham and Coleman, Gadsden, Anniston, Fort Payne, Huntsville, Alexander City, Montgomery, and Clanton. And then finally about 10 o'clock tomorrow evening, we get some heavier downpours, maybe a few lightning strikes involved there in a spot or two. And there's likely to be a narrow band, maybe 30, 40 miles wide, where we could have more than an inch or two of rainfall, whereas it's closer to a half inch on either side of that. Now, this particular forecast model really honing in here on Jefferson, Shelby, St. Clair, Talladega, Clay, Calhoun, Cleburne, and Randolph counties for that heavier rain. But it could be a little farther north, maybe as far north as Gadsden or Fort Payne, or maybe even a tad south, closer to Alexander City. We'll have to watch that as it actually develops on radar. What these forecast models are good at doing is showing us what's possible, but they have a tough time on knowing the exact, precise details. So some light rain through tomorrow evening, heavier rain developing overnight. And remember, that band right there may be as far north as Etowah County. It could be as far south as Coosa County or Chilton County. But most of us are going to get around a half inch of rain, if not a bit more than that. Severe weather-wise, I don't think we have any problems around the Birmingham area, but there is a limited chance of a severe storm. Montgomery County and Elmore County, Tallapoosa County, Lee County, and Chambers County southward down towards southeast Alabama on Saturday. So we get the rain in here early Saturday morning, and it's out in the afternoon, and temperatures just sort of go the wrong way on Saturday. We'll see the warmest part of the day in the morning, and then we just drift down into the low and mid 50s in the afternoon. Sunday, a cold start, but a mild day, the high about 55. Look how close that is to average. Normal low would be 36, normal high at 54. So very close to normal on Sunday, and then forget normal because we're warming up big time on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Close to 70 on Tuesday, and with some clouds around, I think 70 is about as good as we'll get on Wednesday and Thursday of next week. And there may be some scattered showers out there beyond Thursday, but most of next week is looking nice and dry and very warm.